Holistic healing encompasses a mind-body-spirit approach to wellness, focusing on treating the whole person rather than just symptoms. Contrary to traditional medicine, which often targets specific ailments, holistic healing addresses underlying imbalances to promote overall health. By incorporating various alternative therapies and practices, such as acupuncture, herbal medicine, and mindfulness techniques, holistic healing aims to not only alleviate physical symptoms but also enhance mental and emotional well-being. This integrative approach encourages individuals to take an active role in their healing journey, leading to a more balanced and harmonious state of being. The mind-body connection is a fundamental aspect of holistic healing, emphasizing the interrelationship between mental, emotional, and physical well-being. By exploring this connection, individuals can better understand how thoughts and emotions impact their health. Techniques such as mindfulness and meditation are integral to improving the mind-body connection, fostering self-awareness and relaxation. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment, while meditation encourages a state of deep relaxation and focus. These practices help reduce stress, promote inner balance, and enhance overall health and vitality. Natural remedies play a significant role in holistic healing, drawing on the healing properties of plants and other natural sources. From herbal supplements to essential oils, these remedies are used to support the body's natural healing processes. Holistic therapies such as acupuncture, aromatherapy, and yoga are also commonly employed to promote balance and well-being. Acupuncture targets specific points on the body to improve energy flow, while aromatherapy uses essential oils for emotional and physical healing. Yoga combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation to enhance flexibility, strength, and mental clarity, fostering holistic healing. Nutrition plays a crucial role in holistic healing, as the food we consume directly impacts our physical and emotional well-being. A balanced diet rich in whole foods, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins is essential for supporting overall health and vitality. Superfoods and supplements, such as turmeric, spirulina, and vitamin D, are known for their potent health benefits and can aid in promoting holistic healing. By nourishing the body with nutrient-dense foods and supportive supplements, individuals can optimize their health, improve energy levels, and boost their immune system, all contributing to a holistic approach to healing. Incorporating holistic practices into daily life involves making conscious choices that support overall well-being. By integrating practices such as mindfulness, yoga, and healthy eating habits into your routine, you can enhance your physical, emotional, and mental health. Creating a holistic self-care routine is key to maintaining balance and reducing stress, including activities like journaling, meditation, and exercise. Additionally, exploring resources for further learning in holistic healing, such as books, online courses, and workshops, can deepen your understanding and provide new tools for personal growth and wellness.